Hello everyone, myself Dr. Prasanto. In this video we talk about bookmarks. Bookmark is magic feature to improve yourself. There are so many online platforms, Marrow, PrepLadder, Doctutorials, Dams. In their Q&A section, you get a feature bookmark. But we do not realize the significance of bookmark. Bookmark is a very important strategy to improve yourself. So in this video, we talk about how to improve yourself by effectively using bookmarks. Okay. I take all the bookmark samples from Marrow. So whatever online platform you have, don't worry. Bookmark feature is everywhere in all the platforms. Okay. What is the approach to effectively use bookmark? Now let's study the approach. Whenever you do QBank or custom module or GTs, you have to use bookmark. Whatever you did wrong or you think that this is a very important topic, bookmark the question. Now QBank, custom module, GTs. From where you bookmark the questions. So, from these three sources, we get all the bookmarks. Now, this is a sample I take from Marrow. Here, total 487 bookmarks I have. Okay. Whenever you get free times, try to revise the bookmarks. Whatever questions you do right, remove the bookmark from the question. And whatever question you do it wrong again, keep the bookmark. In second time, revise again. Then repeat the same process, means whatever you do right, remove the bookmark, and whatever you did wrong, keep the bookmark again. Now again repeat the process. So the number of your total bookmarks will gradually decrease and you will become more stronger in your preparation. Let's understand it in more easier way. Previously I have 487 bookmarks. Now in second time, revise those bookmarks. If you do right, remove the bookmark. Let's take an example. This is a question. Interosseous recurrent artery is a branch of which of the following arteries? I did wrong in first time. So, I give the question bookmark. Now, in second time, I did the question right. So, I have to remove the bookmark from here. I repeat the process. So, my total bookmark question will gradually decrease. Got my point? So your ultimate target is minimize the number of your bookmark questions. In this way, you can revise all the important questions, all the previous year questions, and whatever you do wrong previously, you can revise them and you can write those answers by using bookmarks. I hope you can enjoy this approach. You can accept or deny the approach, whatever you can. But I think if you accept this approach, you will become more stronger in your preparation. Believe me, this is a very important strategy. So this is all about the approach, all the very best. Try to solve all the important questions by using bookmarks. It's a very important strategy. So see you in next video. Tata.